Dahil Chan is inviting you po to join our meet and greet. Pagkatapit ang ating school area team. Come on, Kyle Chan! Alright, let's go, kids! Come on, mga bata! Nakabubol lang. Enjoy the ride. Let's go, Kuya na narikiri. Let's jam again. Welcoming you to join our meet and greet. Okay, careful. You follow the chat kids.
Everyone's heart.
Let's go to the last area. Come on. Dali, dali we got faster. Okay, nag-join pa. Aadi na kami sa event area. Come on. Again.